In success, it's not just profit or applause. It's legacy built on faith, vision, and perseverance. That's why we're here today, to dream bigger, to build stronger, to lead with purpose.
We have our beautiful lineup right here. So we're going to be the Jacket Show. So get ready to learn.
We gotta change our mindset. Faut nous changer de mentalité pour nous dire, ok, oui, nous gagnons l'argent, mais c'est richesse nous besoin. It's not about money, but it's about riches and wealth. What can I pass on to the next generation? The best thing that you can pass on to the next generation is generational wealth.
There's a lot of things I've done in my career. It's been very difficult, but they were meant to challenge me as a leader. Because if I'm gonna lead people and I'm gonna expect this from you, I need to show by example. And you and we have to also hold our leaders accountable.
Chaque graine et topic ça qu'on a parlé à yo exactement en ligne avec raison et côté que nous voulons arriver, espérant que à la fin de cet événement, nous apprendre, nous appliquer. Il y a plus de monde qui a un business là, qui est presque pour être capable de arriver dans le niveau ça, pour être capable de référer au business.
Parce que moi, nous allons faire pour reconstruire Haïti.
Don't give up, guys. La vie aux États-Unis, ok, sont un accueil que mais on est que l'accueil, c'est Haïti que les. Parce que Haïti va prêter janvier, soleil Haïti avec nous lever.
So I really want to shout out to the organizers of this. I think it's an amazingly beautiful idea that we are able to come together and uplift and empower each other. We don't want to climb a ladder and drop it down. We want to be a part of the solution that helps to mobilize the entire culture.